My name is Amaia Villegas, and I'm from Los Angeles in the United States. How would I best describe Irene's teaching style? Very precise, with a really good eye for detail, and very intense. She gives specific advice for each dancer, so she goes around and really corrects, meets you at your level. I think she teaches a very balanced combination of both, and you need both. She teaches the musicality and the steps, and then where you can put yourself in the step. Do I think that I have a better understanding of flamenco after dancing with her? Absolutely. I think this was a fantastic experience. I think she's a fantastic dancer and just really good at breaking it down. What advice would I give to someone looking for flamenco classes? I would say if you're a beginner, you could start with her. I would say if you're really anywhere, you should definitely take her class. She was fantastic, absolutely divine.